Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Few days ago I had a community poll for this streamer review and you guys gave a good response to it. So today I will give you a review of this Beardo Incrediball trimmer review. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So this is the box of the trimmer. Basically this trimmer is used to clean your balls. You can also clean your chest and underarms also. On the side of the box there is some information given like LED. There is an LED display which shows the battery percentage of your trimmer, powerful motor used, ceramic blades are used, design is of ergonomic, and there is a charging dock also available. uh, about the pricing of the trimmer is around 4499, but on the sale you get around 999. Let's check what is inside the box. So very good packaging. This is our main product. Let's keep it aside for a while. One charging cable, one lubricating bottle, a charging dock. You can put your trimmer on this and connect this cable behind of the charging dock and plug it in. One brush to clean trimmer. Some clippers are given. 3.5 mm, 2.5 mm, 4.5 mm and 1.5 mm. A carry bag is also given in this box, which seems very good in quality, and user manual. Let's keep aside all this and head towards our main product. So yes, this is our main product. Seems very good in hand and compact. And an LED light is also given at the top of the trimmer. An LED display shows the battery percentage. It is about now 47. A plastic guard is given on the top of the blade, which saves from uneven cuts. The charging is under the trimmer. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like and press the subscribe button. So hey guys, those people who want to see the reviews of these perfumes by Beardo, so comment below. So I will अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ दिस. अनबॉक्सिंग क्या मतलब, मैं इसे रिव्यू करूँगा कि इसकी स्मेल कैसी है. ओके, सो लाइक द वीडियो, share the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.